Hi, my name is Nate with Horner Lighting, and today I'm going to show you a fixture from our most popular series, our white linear. With an aluminum housing and our high-quality LEDs and power supplies, this is the perfect fixture for any industrial, manufacturing, or retail setting. This fixture is most commonly used to replace fluorescent tube high bays. With the housing being aluminum, this helps with the heat transfer, which contributes to a longer life when used in hot environments. So, if you're looking to minimize light spill and keep the light shining in a specific direction, we also have reflectors that are available. They can be easily installed. We recommend 2 reflectors per tube. Now, as you can see here, I already have one in place. Now, this one, I'm just going to, it just slides in the back of the tube. And it comes with 2 clips that we put on the back side here, and it holds it in place. So now I'm going to show you our 2 different mounting options. This fixture comes standard with non-adjustable toggle mount cables, as you can see here. We have different sizes if you want a longer cable to come with it. The other option is surface mount. We have a surface mount bracket that easily snaps in place. And once installed, you're able to slide this up and down the tube, and depending on where you need it mounted, it can be easily adjusted. Now, this fixture produces up to 170 lumens per watt and comes in lengths of 4 and 8 feet. The fixture I have here is 4 feet and has 3 tubes. However, we're able to include 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6 tubes on a single fixture. This allows us to have an output of up to 70,000 lumens. And because of that wide variety of lumen output, this allows for multiple different mounting heights. This fixture comes in either 120, 277 voltage, or it's available in 480 volts. Another option we have is a motion sensor. We can do step-level dimming motion or on-off motion. This fixture has a lifetime of over 200,000 hours and comes with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thank you.